pandemic gave many people a time to explore their hidden passions and talent. While some decided to hone their skills at home, others decided to earn a living out of it. 26-year-old Atul Kabra from Hyderabad has been able to successfully convert his passion of doodling into a successful venture. Now popular as Doodle Kabra, Atul is known to convert other people's memories into beautiful doodles. People often get their memories converted into doodles that they can keep to reminisce throughout their lives. Atul says that one of his fondest memories of working as a doodle artist was when he made doodles for personalities such as ex-Chief Justice of Telangana Raghavendra Singh Chauhan, stylish star Allu Arjun and Bahubali actor Rana Daggubati.
The best memory which I can recollect could be right now was when I have received a call from, Allu Arjun personal stylist, depicting their journey, the way they have, broken records to, him being called the style icon in the country. That was one. There was one where I have done a doodle for Raghavendra Singh Chauhan, who was a Chief Justice of Telangana, where I was depicting the 50 years of his entire journey from the time he has taken, from the time he was born, from the places he have served to, currently what he has been doing. So these are the moments which are very proud, and everything, whatever you see in my doodle, it's completely handmade. I have done a doodle for Rana. It was basically the first anniversary where, I was depicting the Rana and Mihika's love story there, from the time where they have met, when the proposal happened, and the date when they got married. It was a love story which was being told about Rana and Mihika.
Atul says he tries to connect with the emotions of people through these doodle paintings, which take him a few days to complete. Atul hopes that his doodles bring to the people a lifelong joy and helps preserve their memories forever.
So handmade, luckily me being very sensitive person in general, I understand human emotions. Digitally many things can happen, but the gift of an handmade will always remain precious. It takes 3 to 4 days is what I take in as a time period to make one doodle, because other than doodling, which is my freelance, which is my passion, I also have other work. There's no discrimination when you're doing doodling, because every person has a story. And every story is unique in their own ways. So that's more important. For me, the emotions are more important than what is being done. Because when you see a doodle, your entire life story in a frame, that makes more sense. That's the emotion, and that one tear, or that acknowledgement is the most important to me than any other thing.
Bureau Report, OTV News.